Okay, we are back with the PlayStation 1. This is the $5 PlayStation 1. You've seen in the previous video, it came under a bundle of wires at a yard sale. Paid $5. There was a crap load of wires on top of it, but, you know, I could see this underneath. Got it all cleaned up. Everything looks good. Fix this button for the eject. This was all dirty in there. Everything's been cleaned up. But I noticed that during the cleanup, this memory card door is broken. There's a dent right here. There's a crack right here. So I think this got dropped at some point. And some of you keen watchers noted there is something loose in there. And I don't know what it is. So we're going to find out right now. 6 screws. Do not take the bottom off. Take the 6 screws out, flip the console over, and take the cover off. Here we go. There we go. Flip the console over. Take this off. I mean, it's pretty dirty in there. We're going to blow that out. And that's what's rattling around. All right. So we have a mystery part. Happens all the time. Don't know where that goes. We're going to find out. I'll be back.